Hey yo, what's up people, it's vdoestech, and today was the physical release date for Resident Evil 8. Now I grabbed it for the PS5. If you get the deluxe version from Best Buy for an extra $10, you get a few in-game extras along with the Steelbook case. Now, I have not watched a trailer, a preview, a snippet, nothing. I have no idea what I'm walking into. Wait, no, I take that back. I've seen photos and memes of some tall chick everyone's fiending over. But outside of that, I have no clue what's going to happen. I'm guessing it's a continuation for Biohazard. But outside of that, I have no clue. So let's go ahead and dive in because I want to start playing. Now it says it also includes Reverse. Is it Reverse or RE-verse? Don't know what that is. But yeah, fear surrounds you. Fight for survival in a village filled with unspeakable horrors and vicious creatures. Okay, all right, I see you. Let's go ahead and crack that open. Get that plastic off. Get out of here, plastic, as I just throw it on the table. Now, this is the trauma pack. I have no idea what that means. I'm guessing that's the extra in-game features you get. I have no idea what this logo is. There goes the codes right there, so I can't pull that out. There's the game, the village. I'm excited to get in. But so, once again, wait, was that the same logo? So yes, the same logo. So, I don't know what that means. I'm guessing I'll find out once I start playing. Be careful not to scratch that. And look at that cover. That's nice. I really like that. Is that engraved? No, it's not engraved. But the cover feels nice. Go ahead and open it. Nothing on the inside. That's kind of disappointing. But yeah, this is a steel cover for Resident Evil The Village. I'm going to go start playing. I'll catch you in the next one. It's vdoestech. Later.